Hello, friends and followers. Well, here's the 100V transmitter by Central Electronics. I put a new power cord on here, which is grounded. However, my house has very sensitive GFI breakers, and if this thing has any leakage at all, it'll blow the breakers. So I didn't connect this lead up yet to the frame, the ground lead, but now I have an official plug on this thing. This was from Triplite. I bought a medical grade extension cord. How good this is, I have no idea, but supposedly it's medical grade. So I just wanted something that could replace the line cord. The main problem with this thing was the fuse holder was broken. I had bought a fancy fuse holder, which was American made and new old stock, but of course it wouldn't fit the small hole here. I had this Chinese communist fuse holder from Bojack, which I've used in Drake power supplies, Drake AC4s, and these fit right in. So I figured, well, I don't like these, but put them in. So that's what I'm using. Anyway, the power wires for the Central Electronics 100V. One wire goes here, and be careful, this is a small terminal strip and it'll break off. The other power wire from the fuse block is coming back on this white wire here. Where that goes, I don't know. I think it goes to a terminal strip right there, other end of it, which would be the primaries of this huge transformer here. So that's the story on the power cord replacement. You can reuse the power cord retainer. However, it's very difficult to get back in. Really, really difficult. It was first of all hard to get out, and I had to get a drill and drill out the old power cord to loosen this thing up and get it out. And to put this thing back in, I had to use a hammer. Hammer it in, use vice grips on it. I had to put some vice grips on it like that and scrunch it up and hammer it, and then vice grips like that and push it. It wasn't easy. Once it finally locked in, it was fine, and I guess it probably expanded a bit, and yeah, now it's really nice. So this thing is not going to be loose. Anyway, that's the story here. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.